welcome to another edition of Dlink TV. I'm Hemok, here with Dan, to talk about the new DCS-2120, a wireless internet camera. So Dan, can you tell us a little bit more about this product?
Sure. Let's talk a little bit about what a wireless internet camera is first off.
Okay.
This is a member of our SecurityCam wireless family, and what it basically does is it's a new way to do home surveillance as well as office surveillance. But instead of the traditional way of going to tape on a closed circuit television surveillance system, what this does is it uses the internet so you can remotely view the video on an internet browser, and instead of going to tape, it actually records it to a hard drive.
I see.
It has a whole host of other features available, including motion detection. It'll actually send alerts to your cell phone via an email. You can monitor up to 16 cameras at once on an internet browser. And it really is a new revolutionary way to monitor your home, office, or any other type of place that you like to monitor.
So what you're basically saying is instead of having to invest in expensive surveillance type of cameras like you had to do in the past using like an analog system with the camera that's hooked up to a VCR and then a recorder and things like that. So instead of having to get all that equipment, what you're saying is if I had this camera attached to my network, then I could just directly record onto my computer.
That's it in a nutshell. And because it's wireless, it also allows for convenient placement of the camera. So you can actually place it up in the corners without having to run, data cables or, like you said, analog signal cables up there. So yeah, again, basically what it does is it's an internet camera. So it's going to be a surveillance system that you can access either remotely or you can actually, access it
from another room or something.
Exactly.
Okay. So does this product support wireless encryption?
Absolutely. It's a security camera, so it does support all of the latest security features. So if you're going to be doing a surveillance system, you want to make sure that that security feed is secure, that it's getting to where it needs to go, and that others aren't hacking into it. So it supports WPA2 and other security mechanisms that ensures that the home or office user is getting a nice secure transmission of the security camera to the computer, to the hard drive that actually is going to be storing all of that great video.
I see. And one of the things about the analog system is that I know that if you had to run a 24/7 surveillance system, whether if there's any activity or not, the tape would constantly be running. Do you have to do the same thing with this product?
Well, it has a lot of different options and features for setting up a really customized security system. So you can actually set the camera up to start recording to a hard drive when actually the motion is detected. You can do it for scheduled recording. Say you want it to just record, say when a storefront is closed for the night. You can have it start recording at 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. You can have it write over that in memory on the hard drive. It has a whole host of different features to allow you to really customize when and where you'd like to record video.
I see. With this product, I know that it features a 0.5 lux lens. Could you tell us a little bit more about that?
Well, what that really means is that it's built for low light. So if you are turning the lights off, which most store owners will do when they're leaving their business, or even if you're doing it at home when it's dark outside, that low lux capacity basically means that it's going to record in very low light scenarios.
I see. One of the things that you mentioned is that I can do surveillance over remotely or over the internet. So how many of these cameras can I hook up to my network and manage?
Well, I think an important thing to cover here is that the cameras themselves come with monitoring software that can record and monitor from 4 up to 16 cameras at a time.
I see.
It's really easy to use. You see all 16 cameras on the screen. You double click it, it goes and will enlarge a certain camera feed. So it really is a really nice way to keep track of a vacation home, a storefront, your home, or even to check on pets when you're on vacation.
I see. Can you also take snapshots?
Absolutely. It, again, has a whole host of features that we couldn't cover in this short interview, but snapshot capability is definitely included.
So are there anything else about this product that you'd like to talk about?
Well, I think we covered the basics of what a wireless internet camera is and some of the features of the 2120. I would like to mention that Dlink carries a complete line of internet security cameras for home and for business. Some include optical lenses, so you get a really nice, clear, crisp picture. Some support pan, tilt, zoom, so you can actually monitor remotely and pan across a room. We also have outdoor enclosures, so if you want to put them out in the elements, we also have that too.
Great. If you're looking to create a surveillance system in your home or your small office without really having to spend too much money, then take a look at the DCS-2120 or any of other wireless internet cameras that we carry. Thanks for tuning in to D-Link. Until next time.